What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? It's Thursday. Just wanted to shoot a video, man. I'm about to roll to Captain D's for the night. Family wanted some food, but I wanted to talk about some ways here that to generate some extra income. You know, you might see a lot of people online, and you know they might be talking about, oh, you can make money doing this or you can make money doing that. And one thing that I wanted to kind of put together to help you guys out was you know, I have a funnel that's a done for you funnel, and that funnel pretty much promotes things that is gonna help you out at the end of the day. See, one thing about when you're joining businesses, you can join the businesses and think about these businesses that a lot of people are in pre-launches and a lot of people are in the flavor of the week. So when you're in the flavor of the week, you know, you're constantly going to people like, hey, you know, check out this business. And they're like, you know what, my buddy's in that business, and, you know, he told me about it. I don't think I want to do it. And pretty much what they're saying is that, hey, my buddy didn't already told me about this, so if I do join, I'm not going to join you. You know, I'm going to join my buddy, somebody who has actually already explained this to me. So you got to understand that. But one thing that people don't really realize is that you're going to always need tools. You're going to always need education when it comes to making money online, you know. So yeah, you can go join that flavor of the week, but are you educated as far as how to promote that flavor of the week? Do you have the tools to promote that flavor of the week? That's what you got to understand it. So when you see, if you hear me talking about Builderall or Easy One Up, those are pretty much things that allow you to promote your business and help you. Or if you hear me talking about TCP, you know, TCP offers a lead source. So these are people that already opted in, pretty much saying, hey, I'm interested in making money online. What do you got? You know, so you just got to reach out to your leads. You know, so I try to put you in a position and in a situation to get to that level where you can, you know, join any business, and it doesn't matter who you join. You don't have to sponsor shop because you already know how to put systems together. You already understand how to go out and get traffic and generate it to your capture page. And not only generate it to your capture page, you have follow-up systems. You have follow-up messages, videos that you're able to put together in a sales funnel to send out to those people. Excuse my lighting, guys. It's getting dark where I'm at, but I wanted to shoot this. So, you know, that's why I promote those type of companies, because people need to be educated in this space. When you go to a job, don't that job send you through orientation? Don't that job train you? If you go to college, you're paying for education so you can go get that job that you want. You got to think about it. In order to learn something or to get something that you want, think about it like this. When you go, if you were looking for a job and they say, when you always see that thing and say 4-year degree or equal experience, either you have to go out and learn some way or you have to go out there and pay for some education. You got to get yourself in a position. You got to wrap your minds around this, and this is a business. You are a business owner now. You are considered a business owner. So you got to think about the things that you're going to need in your business. So if we're talking about My Econ, guys, My Econ is showing you how to manage your money with you being an independent business, with you being a business owner. So we're telling you what to do, how to avoid Uncle Sam, how to make more money, how to invest the money that you're making, so that way you can make more money off of that money. You see how I tie everything in together? It's about educating yourself and getting yourself to the next level, guys. Okay? So if you're looking for a way to make money, everything that I've mentioned, you're pretty much going to be able to make money in, okay? So Builderall, pretty much, guys, is a marketing platform that allows you to make beautiful capture pages. It allows you to pretty much have tools and everything that you need to market to your potential leads, your potential customers, man. The type of pages that you can make with Builderall is amazing. The type of funnels you can make with Builderall is amazing. TCP, funnels. You can make funnels, pages, same thing. Only difference is, guys, they have more, you know, more training when it comes to marketing. that you can actually go buy leads when it comes to marketing from their back office. So, you know, I utilize them. Okay, my econ, like I told you, it helps me, and it also builds me a residual income. So I'm able to go out here and build a team, and I'm able to leverage my team, because now my team is able, I'm able to make money when my team makes money. All right, guys. So I'm in the Captain D's line, and they said they got some big orders, so it's gonna be about 10-15 minute wait. But we're about to shoot a video. So pretty much, guys, you know, my econ is gonna teach you how to. You can order whenever you're ready. Okay, just a second. They lied to me. So she tells me I can go my order. Now I'm the second person in the line, man. People don't be wanting to do their job, man. See, this is what it is. People don't be wanting to do their job. But my econ is gonna help you guys pretty much make, you know, the right decision when it comes to getting your money together, and also helps you build an additional income with your team. So if your team goes and makes money, you make money. It's residual. It's one of the best income plans out there, guys. So that's one of my main programs that I definitely promote, that I'm building my team on. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to have a link right at the bottom for you to check it out. Also, I have educational platforms as well, as well as a marketing system that pretty much does all of the selling and telling for you for all of my programs, literally. So I'm gonna leave a link for you to check it out, and you let me know what you think. All right, so hit me up. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.